video is about final expense leads, direct mail, versus live transfer leads. If you want more marketing strategies, subscribe to my channel. In a moment, I'm going to show you how to build your own live transfer lead machine for $7.50 to $9.75 per lead. Plus, I'm going to show you how to make a 1,200% ROI on your investment. Hang in to the end of the video. I'm going to give you access to a video of an agent who made over 487,000 commissions without leaving his home. Yes, it's true. I'm Russ Jones, creator of a number of courses, including the $1,500 a day lead system. Includes the 3-step postcard system, postcard millionaire formula, final expense millionaire system, baby boomer millions, ultimate selling system. Okay, let's look at the benefits and drawbacks of investing in direct mail leads versus live transfers for final expense, term insurance, and annuities. Let's talk about direct mail first. The average direct mail final expense lead today costs about $40 per lead or $450 per thousand to mail out. Average response can be 0.5% to 1%. It can be more if you're giving something free like a gift certificate, or people think the government is going to give them away something free. It can take up to 2 to 3 weeks before you get the leads in your hand. In my experience, after working thousands of these leads, people sometimes forgot why they sent the card in. Didn't even expect someone would call on them face to face or tell you they're just not interested now. Average closing rate is about 20%, sometimes better for top agents. Mainly direct mail leads are sold face to face. Now let's talk about live transfer leads. I'm going to talk about 2 types of live transfer lead systems. First, you can buy live transfer leads from vendors for $40 to $55 per lead. The second type of live transfer leads are where you can build your own telemarketing lead system, offshore telemarketers, at $3 per hour, and you need to buy into the power data for $97 to $197 per month. Plus, you have to buy your data. First live transfer lead system, where you buy leads for $40 to $55 per lead, requires you to be licensed in 7 to 10 states. You have to do that to get the most leads. Average closing is about 25%. The second type of live transfer lead system I get the most excited about is where you build your own telemarketing lead machine, where you generate leads for $7.50 to $9.75 per transfer. This is where you have offshore telemarketers who work for 6 to 8 hours a day for $3 to $4 per hour. You have a script for them to follow, and they transfer calls to your phone while you're sitting at your desk and in your pajamas if you want. This is a live transfer leads where prospects want an insurance quote. Average closing is about 30%. Then you can take all the non-buyers and drop them into our 10 emotional video emails, and we drip on them with your contact information. These videos will help you sell more policies on autopilot. Believe me, I've done that many times. If you would like to learn how you can build your own live transfer lead machine, I'm going to show you. Also, if you want to sell the new instant term plan up to $500,000 with no physical, policy issued in 2 minutes, and 100% non-agent involvement, then check out the following website. That's www.1500adaysalesformula.com. Again, it's www.1500adaysalesformula.com. Also, check out our Golden Prospector system at www.goldenprospector.com/VIP. Again, that's www.goldenprospector.com/VIP. Make sure you hit the subscription button below. Thank you for listening to this video and watching it.